Hi, it's me, Little Belly Monster. I can't wait to go outside to make a snowman, but there isn't enough snow yet, and my belly's getting so hungry.
Grumble, rumble.
Hey, Little Belly Monster, I have an idea. How about we bring winter inside by making a delicious snowman snack?
Yay, Momo! That's a great idea!
So now all we need is some vanilla or coconut Greek yogurt, blueberries, raspberries, and our favorite granola bar.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! Can we eat it now?
Hold on, Little Belly Monster. What happened to making our snowman? First, we start by scooping some yogurt and making a circle. Then we take another scoop and make an even bigger circle underneath. Next, we take blueberries to make 2 eyes and some buttons. A raspberry makes a perfect little nose. And then with both berries, we can make a striped scarf to keep our snowman nice and warm. Last but not least, we break off the trunk of our granola bar as a rim for his hat, and use this little piece for the top of his hat. And there we go, a yogurt and granola snowman treat. And now,
Snack time! That was tasty. So, what are we eating next?
Rumble, rumble.
if you like learning about nutritious and delicious foods, like this video and subscribe.